Hey everybody, in this video, I will show you exactly how to top up a Payoneer card. Make sure to watch the video until the end to get the most out of it. So, to top up Payoneer card, you need to register your bank to Payoneer. So, add your local bank details. Then, receive funds from companies worldwide. After that, from here, you can withdraw funds. You can do so in your local bank account in local currency. Then, you can add your recipient details, such as entering your email and clicking on Next. After that, when the top-up is on, you agree to let Payoneer use funds from your balance to top up your card to its allowed limit. And then, top-up starts when a card is activated. Once you turn on the top-up, click to save it. Click the link given in the description box to create your account. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.